It's a game changer. Hi Queens, welcome back to my channel. This is Be The Beat if you didn't already know. And if you didn't already know, that means you are new to my channel. I just want to say welcome. Welcome girl. Welcome on into the LYS beauty party, okay? And if you're not new here, welcome back girl, okay? Come on back friend. We are glad to see you. Okay y'all, today's video is all about LYS Beauty, just let me get my facts straight, okay? A black-owned brand that is now sold at Sephora. If you haven't already heard about it, baby, get on it, okay? This brand, LYS Beauty, is founded by Miss Tisha Thompson, okay? If I'm not mistaken, used to be on the team of another brand, and so now she has launched her own cosmetic line. I'm here for it, okay? So you can either shop LYS Beauty directly on the LYS Beauty website, or you can shop through Sephora's website. I actually shopped through Sephora's website when I got all my products because I purchased all these things during the Sephora spring summer sale.
Probably more September. For that is spring summer.
Okay.
September spring shows spring summer.
So I was able to get like a discount on all my Sephora products. So that's when I decided to purchase the brand. Not that I wouldn't have purchased it regular price. It was just that, oh, Sephora's having a sale. I've been wanting to get these products. So I added that in the cart, okay? So let's get into it. And it's also a clean beauty brand. It is like cruelty-free, vegan. Oh, she has brushes. I didn't know she had brushes. The brushes were not on Sephora's site. Meets LYS Beauty, a confidently clean beauty brand founded and conceptualized by Tisha Thompson, a black woman, okay? Black owned, black woman owned, okay? With skin loving formulas that redefine clean beauty. Exclusively at Sephora.com, this thoughtfully created line features clean formulas, universal shade offerings, and high performance results for today's evolving beauty consumer. With confidence as the goal and clean beauty as the vehicle. Okay, vehicle, we like that. Vroom, vroom. LYS Beauty is proud to become the retailer's first black owned Sephora clean cosmetics brand. This woman is making history, okay? Miss Thompson, we see you, sis, okay? And shout out to you, Miss Thompson, because how about she commented on my Sephora video, so she knows I exist. So if you're watching this video, hello, nice to meet you. I'm Be The Beat. And this video is not sponsored, but one day it will be, okay? All right, Miss Thompson. You see me, I see you, girl, okay? Okay, so let's get into it. I did buy the whole line that I could get my hands on at Sephora. I did not realize she had brushes, so I wish I would have gone on the LYS Beauty site before now, so I could have purchased some brushes as well, but we'll be doing that after the video is over. Also, there were some things that were sold out that I couldn't get from Sephora, so let's just get into it. There's a foundation, the Triple Fix Serum Foundation. There's a Skin Gripping Serum Primer. So based on this line, it's a clean beauty brand, and it's also supposed to be like skincare infused as well. So you're supposed to be getting your skincare as well as your foundation and primer and everything all in one. So we're gonna test it out today. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna see what the coverage is popping like, you know what I'm saying? I think this is considered medium coverage, if I'm not mistaken. A beautiful bottle, might I add. It's like a frosted glass, and it's also like a triangular prism like shape. I would love that. I got mine in the shade DG7. So we're gonna see how that works out today. Specs on the foundation: an ultra luxe serum foundation that effortlessly conceals blemishes, dark spots, and imperfections with skincare benefits, and it's buildable. So light to medium coverage, but it's buildable. So we're gonna see how buildable it can be, because I'm cool with the medium buildable, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm cool if I can build it up the way I need to in certain areas, because if you're not new here, you know all about my skin issues. Like, hyperpigmentation is all up and through here. So if I can build up the coverage in the spots that I need it to, then I'm here for it, okay? It comes in, how many shades? I don't know how many shades. How many is it? Hella shades, okay? I don't know exactly how many. It doesn't say, and I'm honestly not finna count them, okay? But it's hella shades, okay? It's a lot. But so I was able to get the foundation. Sephora, I'm telling you, y'all ate that site up. Everything was close to sold out. I'm very excited to be doing a full face video from like one brand. Very excited about that. I just did a Fenty full face video with the Eavesdrop skin tint. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. But that's another story. Just go watch that video to see how I truly feel about that product. But anyway, we're gonna get into LYS beauty today, okay? So of course we're gonna start with the primer. It feels nice on the skin. It definitely feels serum-y. I love that because y'all know, if you know me, if you know, you know, okay? I like to feel slippery. I like to feel greasy. I like to have slip in my skin products. So this is like right up my alley. I feel this product getting sticky already, and that's a good thing. It went on very much like a serum, but it is now feeling more tacky as it's drying, so that's a good thing. It's gonna hold that makeup down, you know what I'm saying? Wow, it says that you can wear it alone or with makeup, and I could definitely see why you would want to wear this alone, because I feel like my skin looks very just healthy. Like, it looks very glowy and refreshed. Love that for me. It is 11:48 p.m. and I'm up filming. My son is asleep in his own bed. So I'm like, you know what, girl? You're gonna get this baby to sleep tonight in his bed and you're gonna film because you got work to do, okay? And I'm actually filming reels as well. Like, cheers to a productive night. But anyway, all right, y'all, so I did have to change cameras. Really quickly, my battery died on my Sony camera, so now I'm on my Canon. So hopefully, you know, me switching the scene didn't look too crazy. I don't know. So I'm just going to apply a generous amount to my hand. Okay, that was like 2 pumps, 2 full pumps, and the color looks beautiful. Like, that's what I like my foundation shade to look like typically. So I'm just gonna go in, and it appears to be very watery, so we'll see. Oh, the color is beautiful already. Like, already the color is beautiful. Like, I'm not sure if it's gonna like oxidize or anything, but it looks like a flawless match. I did an amazing job matching myself on this site, if I must say so myself, okay? And it's Tisha Thompson. You did an amazing job on this color, okay? Oh my gosh. It looks really nice so far. Like, look at my skin, y'all. Like, look at my skin. Oh my god. So, okay, this is as far as like those 2 pumps got me. And technically that was enough foundation for my whole face, but I'm gonna use some more. Like, I feel like my forehead is a little bit left out, and I feel like my chin is for sure left out. Something's happening here. Maybe I didn't rub my primer in good down there. I don't know. As far as I know, there's no concealer option for the brand yet, but hopefully it's coming, because I can definitely see her having a bomb concealer. Because if the concealer feels anything like this foundation, baby, I'm in and I want it, okay? Because it feels like butter. The coverage I ain't mad at. Y'all, I feel like my skin looks really nice. I'm trying to figure out what concealer I'm gonna use with this foundation, because I don't think none of my concealers live up to this, you know? Like, baby, Miss Tisha, is it Tisha or Tisha? Miss Thompson, I hope you in the lab right now, baby, working on that concealer, because I just felt like I was disrespecting the LYS beauty brand by not having a corresponding concealer. Like, my skin looks like butter. Butter for skin. That's the hashtag, okay? Butter for skin. It's a game changer. I think it looked pretty damn good, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to go ahead and zibble and dab into the translucents and the blushes. So first I'm gonna go into the blush because I'm here for it, okay? I'm nervous because cream blushes always make me nervous, and I don't really know why. Creams just make me a little nervous, but we're gonna go for it. I love the color, but now I'm also wondering what that dark orange would have looked like on me. Well, I know it would have looked bomb, but I wanted both, but I was like, well, let's start with one. But this looks good. A nice flush of color. Like, it's not too much, but it's just enough. I look fresh. Like, I don't want to stop putting it on. Like, it's such a pretty color, and it's just so, it's subtle, but it's making an impact. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like that's, I put on quite a bit, but I don't feel like it's like overbearing. Like, I feel like it's the perfect amount. The texture is beautiful. Like, it blended in like butter. It didn't move stuff around. Like, get into it. Get into it, okay? I need to set my under eyes though, because girl, I don't want to crease. So here's the translucent powder. Now I am a little weary about this because for me, I haven't found a translucent powder to top Laura Mercier, and I know this is a pressed translucent, so it's even more different, but so far so good. So I'm gonna trust you, girl. I'm gonna trust you. So I'm just going to dibby dab dab. Well, that was a lot, but that was a lot. Let's see. Not really seeing much happening there. Okay, let me try with a sponge. I don't like the translucent powder, guys. I'm gonna tell you why. Like, I feel like maybe this will be a good like touching up powder, but I'm not liking it to like set my under eye. I just don't see that holding my face up throughout the day. I don't feel like it's, I don't feel secure, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna cheat a little bit. Well, it's not cheating because this is how I would do my makeup naturally. So I'm going to use some loose translucent powder to truly set under my eyes, because I don't want to like, I don't want my makeup to run around. So now we're gonna move on to bronzer. So I'm just going to dabble into it, and y'all, it is pretty dark, so I'm kind of scared. Very lightly. Very dark. Girl, you knew that. Like, it is very, very dark on me, but I just have to take a light hand with it, and I'm gonna actually clean it up with a little more foundation. Can y'all tell the foundation is my favorite part yet? Like, can y'all tell that? I'm sure you can. I'm sure you can. Just gonna clean up that contour just a touch. Y'all, I love the foundation. Okay, so we making some progress, and I just did a few things off camera. I did, you know, just kind of lightly dust my whole face with translucent powder because, you know, I don't want to be slip and slide on these holes. But I look pretty. Like, I look good. I look good. Okay, I'm gonna get my lashes and my lip on, and I'm gonna be back. Okay, I'm gonna be back. Alright, y'all. The look is done. The look is done. I literally like just sprayed my face with setting spray, so that's why I look big drip, okay? This that splat. Y'all, look at me. Get into it. Get into it. Y'all, I look the good, okay? Oh my gosh. My hair looks a little janky, so don't clog me. Like, I just use a little got to be glue tonight because, baby, I'm not sleeping in this week. And it's after midnight, okay? But I look good, okay? This face looks good. Tisha. Baby. This is hitting. This is hitting. Like, I look flawless. Like, I love it. Now, I will say this foundation is very hydrating. Like, I feel like if you have super oily skin, I don't know if you would like the finish, how dewy it is. You would definitely want to like set it down with the powder for sure, because like I was very glossy before I like dusted myself with the translucent powder. And I just sprayed that heavy spray on my face, so I got re-dewy. So it hasn't completely like settled in yet, but y'all, this foundation is, I would say, a go. Like, foundation for sure is a 10 out of 10. So let's go over pricing a little bit. Foundation is $22, which is not bad at all. I think that's a beautiful price for this product. I think the product performed flawlessly. The serum is $20, which I think is a great price for a primer. $20, like, what's a little dub? Like, $20, definitely go get that if you want to try a new primer. Now, the translucent powders, I'm not a fan of those, honestly. Like, I can't say that I'm a fan of the translucent powder. I'm gonna try it on another occasion and just try to play with it some more to see how I like it. This does retail for $18. I wasn't able to get the lip treatment oil. It was sold out. The cream blush, love the blush. I'm gonna be keeping this for sure, and I'm also gonna be repurchasing, well, not repurchasing, but like I'm gonna be purchasing the darker orange color. $16, not bad. And then the bronzer, I will say that, you know, it's a nice bronzer, but it's just a little too dark for me to use like I really want to, because I feel like I'm not super contoured, because I was scared to get too heavy with it because it's too dark for me. But I do like the product. I'm gonna keep it in my kit for my chocolate clients that would need something that's dark and rich, because it is dark and rich. Like, if y'all are familiar with the MAC blush Film Noir, this I feel like is darker than Film Noir. Like, if I really dug deep into this and applied a heavy pressure, I feel like I can get this darker than Film Noir. And if y'all know Film Noir, that thing dark, okay? But it's needed. It's needed for chocolate women that need a bronzer or a contour. So that's that. Bronzer is $18. So that's it, y'all. And like I said, she does have brushes on her site, on LYS Beauty site, and I'm actually very interested in the brushes. I probably will be looking at purchasing those. They are all $15. There's 4 different types, and they're all $15, and that's not a bad price for a brush. So they're really cute too. That concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you love the look. Comment down below and let me know if you're planning to try any of these products from LYS Beauty and what you're planning to try. Well, let me know, okay? I hope y'all enjoy it. This video is not sponsored yet, okay? One day it will be, period. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you don't get nothing else, go get this. Like, this, and it's a nice size bottle too. Like, go get this. I really do like this product. Love the way it sits on my skin. But anyway, okay, I'm excited. All right, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, all that. Share with your homegirls, and that's a wrap. Beats and love.